Hello, Pistol Grip. Hello, Pistol Grip. 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave.
That's what I'm talking about, man. Hey, Beavis. Beavis, I'm sitting here for 10 minutes. I can't hear a damn thing with a couple trying to break the noise level. I thought it was 751. I heard 888. And now I got it. I want to hear this grand sound, man. I made a couple of adjustments that I want to use, man. Beavis, welcome. Beavis, your sound king, goddamn.
Hey, Pistol Grip, I got you on the video gate, so you should be able to see how it sounds, Mr. Pistol Grip. Good evening, Tom. Hope you're doing well and swell. 018 Tennessee, Beavis down here, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Roger, D. Brooklyn. Pistol with that stock mic in the back way.
Roger on Pistol Grip on that old stock mic at Union Grant. Sounded real good down here in Tennessee once again. 018, that's a 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave.
You can't tell him his talk show's over because that man got the hammer down on you. I think he's going to let you talk. I think he's going to let you talk on it. 999, badass, August the 3rd, man, went to League. 018, 707, New York.
All right, that time I heard a little 999 in Connecticut. Hello, 999 in Connecticut. Also heard my friend 707 New York. Hello, 707 New York. Hope y'all are all doing well. Swell, sounded real good down here in Tennessee. 018 Beavis down here, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Hello, Gump, and more Gump, your 999 badass. Came in there with you.
We just jumped out here this evening, just kind of looking around out here and doing a little work, doing a little repair work on the bench, trying to get some things called up, but y'all sounding real good down here in Tennessee. Yours 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave.
I just want to record 018 212. What's the gun? Just for the record. Badass the baby,
Hello, 212. Hello, 212. Hello, Mr. 212. You sound real good in Tennessee. Hope you're having a good weekend. 018 Tennessee, Beavis down here, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Okay, there's 018. No, Roger, no, get back on 018, Beavis. I got that video here. No, badass Mobile, Connecticut, get down.
Hey, 999, I heard you that time. 999, I heard you that time. There's a few in there, man, but 999, you're definitely sounding real good down here in Tennessee. 018 Beavis letting you know.
Good evening, Beavis. Badass Togan, Suburban, Connecticut, get down.
I heard a little 999. Heard a little 999 in that long-nosed Suburban. 999. I heard it all when you said it all on my video gate. Sounded good, 999. 018 Tennessee, Beavis down here, Donkey Stomper, rolling the video gate.
Right now, you will leave it around. And I don't know what Beavis did to his radio. He got nothing. He sound good to yo. Beavis did something with his chili. I said, Beavis did something with his audio, man. And it does sound good in the game. You're 127, you roll back out.
I just backed it all down a little bit, Pistol Grip, just backed it down a little bit and took some echo out of it and just trying to talk right into the microphone and not get too excited and yell and scream and all that. You know how it is.
Yeah, well, don't change nothing, man. Leave the mic in the clarifier alone. Mic in the clarifier should be the furthest thing from your mind. Your pistol video game won't. Hello, Renner Diaz.
Yeah, I get excited, and you know, when I get excited, I start yelling and screaming in the microphone and it gets all distorted too, but I took some echo out and kind of talking this microphone right, Pistol Grip. Sounding good down here, Mr. Pistol Grip, my friend. 018 Tennessee, Beavis down here, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Listen, you gotta tell me about getting excited. I got two love Jones. I got two love Jones. Her and my Gumana. And these are my Gumanas I'm back at.
Roger. Yeah, you gotta talk right, man. If you get excited and start screaming in the microphone on these boxes and stuff, it just, and especially this hi-fi stuff, where there's a high mic and all that, if you just get excited and start screaming, it just all runs together. Anyway, I hope everybody out there up the Northeast is having a good evening, had a good weekend. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis waving our hand.
Hey, 018 Beavis, let me... Hey, 018 Beavis, let me clean that video gate out for you real quick. Hey, 018 Beavis, let me ease up and clean your water gate out. 018 Beavis, 999, badass Mobile, Connecticut, get down. Try the gate.
Hey, 999, you just got my video gate cleaned out? 999, 999, sounding good in Tennessee, my friend. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Hey, 018 Beavis, all you're gonna hear is me in this long-nosed Suburban. Hey, 018 Beavis. I do know I'm having a shoot corner. 018 Beavis, 999, badass target, Suburban, Connecticut, get down. Cause I get to rock at the side of the gate. Yo, pistol back out.
Hey, 999, I heard it all when you said it all. Slow key was letting Pistol Grip finish up too. I heard my friend 127 Pistol Grip in there talking too, so I kind of slow keyed and let him get in there and keep talking too and get on the video gate. But I got 999 and the long nose Suburban, and I got 127 Pistol Grip on my video gate down here in Tennessee. 018 Beavis with the wave.
Hey, 018 Beavis, all you're gonna hear is me in that baby.
I left everybody on the mall when you unkeyed them, man. I left them all on the mall. 999, I heard you. I got to talk to my radio. My radio said 999 said all you're going to hear is me. 999 said all you're going to hear is me. That's what the man said in that long-nosed Suburban. 999, you're sounding real good in Tennessee. 018 Beavis with the wave.
999, audio 12. I was on long nose. Wait on it back. Hello, Beavis. This is 018 Beavis. What is that boy in the long nose Suburban sound like? 018 Beavis. Just like I said once, and I'm going to say it again. All I'm going to hear is one video. North of this corner. 018 Beavis. All you're going to hear is me. All over that room is 018 Beavis. Now, I just heard him roll the gate there. I just want to key up. Say hello to Pistol. Hello, 571. Suburban and the rest of the crew there. I didn't know you were out there. You was sneaking. What's going on, brother man? We just chilling.
Hey, 999, Crush come in there and give you a little run, but you come out there sounding real good, 999. I got you on the video gate. I sat back and listened a minute. Crush was in there on your back a little bit, 999, but 999, you still come through real good. 018 Tennessee Beavis, letting you know, man.
We just went to a beautiful day today. Beautiful day at the beach. Beautiful day at the beach. 571, man. The breeze.
Lord, mercy, what a mess. I had Crush. I had a 999 Suburban in there, but on top of the game, on top of the pile was a 571. Hey, Mr. 571 Boston, 571, you just come on top of my video gate, 018 Tennessee Beavis, letting you know.
Here come Pistol, you lower, Pistol down.
Here come Pistol, lows, IMAX Pistol down, that's what I heard.
Yeah, you hear Pistol, but that when Crush puts that hammer on his ass. Uh-oh. Now you hear him? Hey, Beavis. Now you hear Pistol, now you don't. Uh-oh. That's one of them, now you hear him, now you don't. Uh-oh. Pistol, where'd you go? Uh-oh. Look under the bed. I don't know where he went with that stock mic. Come back quiet.
Hey, Crush, you was all by yourself that time, man. It was a Crush talk show down here in Tennessee. That was all 148 Crush, 148 Crush, 148 Crush talk show down here in the Big Ten. 018 letting you know.
Evening time to you, Mr. Beavis. Evening time. Evening time to Pistol Nipples and whoever else is out here. Wave a hand. We're just saying hello, mellow yellow. Had a beautiful day at the beach today. I'm just checking back. Oh, with the wave, Mr. Beavis. While you're running that gate, oh, Crush waving. Hey.
Hey, Crush, I got it all when you said it all. Crush, I got it all when you said it all, man. You're standing good down here in 10. I got you on the gate. I'm sure everybody will hear you say hello on the gate here in a minute. 018 Tennessee Beavis is going to roll this gate just a few more minutes.
Real good copy. All right, let everybody know that the cherries are in season. I just bought a beautiful bunch of cherries. Get your hands on them black cherries there. They're definitely delicious, guys. All right, my man. You take care, Mr. Beaver. Sounding good. And audio got a lot of echo there. Sounds nice and loud. All right, I'm gonna put it wide to the side. Just want to bump it down. It's evening time. Welcome to the weekend. The end of the weekend, that is. Oh, Crush. I'll see you. Bye.
Howdy, Mr. Crush. I back my echo down just a little bit more. I appreciate it, man. And I heard them black cherries are doing good. Appreciate it, Crush. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
And that's a Black Cherry 018 Beavis Roger. Take it easy, my man. I'm stepping back. Oh, Crush. You can have the radio back now. Nipples. Pistol Nipples, you got the green light. I'll see you. Virginia 999 with it.
Hey, Pistol Grip, Crush said Pistol Nipples has the green light. He said Pistol Nipples has the green light, and I passed up 5.
I got flavored Pistol Nipples for you tonight. Hello, DT in the all yard.
Pistol Grip said he had flavors. Them ain't black cherry ones, are they? Hey, Pistol Grip. Are them black cherry Pistol Nipples you got for Crush?
Good. You did good. Yeah, it only took 2 kilos. That's amazing. Just amazing. Mountain Man.
Well, I got me a little video gate, y'all. I'm going to get off here and be quiet. Everybody hollered at me. I sure appreciate it. Y'all have a good evening. I'm going to get back on the workbench, but I got about a 10-minute long video gate here. I'll post it up in a minute. Hope y'all have a good evening. Continue on shooting skip. And hope you have a good week coming up on this Sunday evening. Monday's tomorrow. Hope everybody has a good week at work next week. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis said I'll catch you later. Bye.
See you, Beavis, Mountain Man, back out.
Mountain Man, I got you on the gate before I get off here. Mountain Man, got you on the video gate, man. You take care, Mountain Man. 018 Beavis with the wave.
Roger, Beavis, have yourself a good one. We'll see you. Your friend up north, the Mountain Man, getting on down. Coming my picture like that, I gotta see. 799 Illinois, the new real. I don't know about that. I don't even think you can hear him, honestly.